everyone, this is Kimo Vlogs, a Philippine reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa natin itong reaction video, ang matira, ang matibay ng Blazing Gen Z. So tama ako talaga, nasa Inigo nanalo. So this is the V battle, VL versus Violet. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video.
VL versus Violet. Let the
Go.
teen clash begin.
Dinaan tayo sa emotion Wow, sarap. Sarap. Ang galing niya dito Calm down, calm down. Oops. Come. Ay! Kinakabahan ako sa kanya. May ganal-gal, no? Hindi smooth. Tama? Oops. Nasobrahan. Sira. May ganal-gal, no? Tama? Tama ba?
Ang sagot na awit ni Violet sa matira-matibay sa pagbabalik ng The
May
Clash
ganal-gal.
Kings. Isa.
May ganal-gal, hindi siya smooth. Konti na lang Yun yung part na yun. Yeah. Oh, meron. Anyways. Naman. Anyways. Proceed tayo kay Violet. Ito na.
Matira-matibay.
Hindi.
Violet versus VL. Let the teen
Okay.
clash begin.
Kinakabahan ako. So tama nga ako, hindi nga talaga malinis sa pagkakakanta niya, right?
So let's get on me lately.
Lose control. Oh, magaling siya. It's Violet.
It feels like the walls are all closed.
It's Violet.
And the devil's knocking at my door. Oh, oh. I don't mind how many times did I tell you I'm no good at being alone. Yeah, it's taking so lonely. Trying my best to keep from tearing my skin off my bones. Don't you know I lose control?
It's Violet.
When you're not next to me.
Violet. So tama ako. Kung magiging tama to, tama lahat ng hula ko.
Falling apart right in front of you. Can't you see? I lose control when you're not next to me. Oh, I'm falling apart, baby. Can't you see? I lose control.
Ah, talaga. Linis. Palinisan na lang talaga to. Sayang. yan kay ano, Jel.
If we're all over you, can't you see? I lose control.
Grabe yung mga runs niya, no?
Yeah, you're breaking my heart, baby. You make a mess of me.
Malinis siya.
Something's got a hold of me lately.
Kung ito yung kinanta niya kanina versus Inigo, mananalo pa to eh. Sa totoo lang, siya yung mananalo between Inigo and Violet. Kung ito yung kinanta niya. Masyadong relax ang best part niya. Ang galing niya. Sorry.
When you're not here with me, baby. I'm falling apart right in front of you. Can't you see? I lose control when you're not next to me. Yeah, you're breaking my heart, baby. You make a mess of me.
Crescendo.
Something's got a hold of me
Nailed it.
lately. No, I don't know myself anymore.
Galing siya. Yes, siya. Parang siya si, actually kamukha niya si Bianca de Vera. Kung ako yung tatanungin,
Job well done, girls.
alam niya.
Good job.
Alam ni Biel.
Isa lang ang makakapasok sa top 9, kaya naman, Clash Panel.
Alam ni Biel. Sayang si Biel. Magaling pa naman si Biel.
Alright. May
Yun ang
binigay sa
most.
akin na special information na ang makakabalik sa top of the clash starts with the letter V.
Oh my God. May pala silang V.
Mahirap yan ha, Opa.
May idadagdag ako. Yung name meron din letter
Letter
E.
E.
Uy,
Mm-mm.
Opa! Mahirap pa rin.
Ang makakabalik sa top
Letter
of the
L.
clash ay
May
C.
letter L pa. Biel and Violet eh. It's Violet for me. Violet.
Violet.
Yeah, I know. It's clear. It's really clear. It's clear.
You may now take the
Clear na clear yun eh. Violet yan. So ngayon, tama ako. Sa tatlong hinulaan ko, tama ako lahat. Wow! This is Kiki Vlog and see you on my next vlog. Bye!